And welcome back to my channel. Today we are having a giveaway. Alright, we are celebrating close enough to 250 subscribers. And hi, hello, if you are new here. Hi, my name is Jennifer, and I love giving things away. And no, really, I am a makeup channel, and I also talk about agoraphobia and mental health issues. And if you are interested in either or both of those topics, then go ahead and hit the subscribe button and hit the notification bell and set it to all so that you are notified every time that I upload a video. And yeah, if you are interested in seeing what's in today's giveaway and the rules and everything like that, then hang tight because we are getting right into it. Okay, so we are celebrating 250 subscribers, or at least close enough to it, that I am going to throw a big giveaway. Okay, rules. Number one, you must be subscribed to my channel. Two, you must be 18 or older, or at least have your parents' permission. Three, you must leave a comment, and you must use the word exciting in the comment below. And with that said, let's go ahead and show you what is in the giveaway, okay? First off, now this is valued at $292. And first off, what I have is, I have a lot of stuff from Beauty Bakerie, okay? And first off, I have these Beauty Bakerie blending eggs, okay? These are 6 individually wrapped beauty blenders. Some are pink and some are blue, okay? I don't know the individual prices right here, but if you look in the description box below, I'll have the individual prices of everything. And we have that. And we have from Beauty Bakerie. It's so cute because they have the nutritional info on the back. It says it's vegan, 100% calories, 0% gluten, 0%, and it has the ingredients on it. Anyway, this is their Queen of Tarts blush palette, and it looks like that. That will be in the giveaway. So that is very pretty. And going along with Beauty Bakerie, they have their Better Not Bitter flour, which is a setting powder, and it is in the color Oat, which is translucent. And it comes in there. I use it. I like it a lot. And also from Beauty Bakerie is this Breakfast in Bed palette. And it looks like this. I have this palette and I use it a lot. I like it. It's a very good palette. And also the last thing from Beauty Bakerie is this Beauty Bakerie Sugar Sticks Lip Liner in the color Swedish. Okay, it looks like this. And the color is sort of a berry color. Right there. And it comes with this cute little handle on it like this. And it is a lip liner. So, and it is in the color Sweetish. Like sweet ISH. so that will be in the giveaway. And a couple of Colourpop items. We have this Supershock shadow in the color Birthday Wish. Let me get that open for you. It's kind of a taupe-ish color. Right there. Very pretty. And we have this lippy pencil in the color BFF. It is another lip liner. It's sort of a brownish color. And it's one of those you have to sharpen. And we have the Colourpop Medium Fluff Brush. I'll take it out on this end. And it looks like this. Nope, I don't want to do that. There, it looks like that. So like the nice little blush brush or something like that. Oh, and one more thing from Beauty Bakerie. I missed this. It's the Milk and Honey Highlighter Palette. It looks like this, and then you take it out here, and then it looks like this, and on the inside, you got 4 little highlighters. And so that is also from Beauty Bakerie. So a lot of stuff from Beauty Bakerie. And one thing is from Complex Culture. That is the Ipsy brand. It comes in this box. And it is a battery-operated tool. You will have to put the battery in it yourself. And you take it out and you turn the battery on and you run it all over your face. And it's supposed to help you know, with your lymphatic nodes and all of that stuff. And last of all, you have this Athr Beauty eyeshadow palette. And it is very cool toned with beautiful greens and blues and silver. And there's a brown in there. And I know this retails for $58. So yeah, again, you get this Athr eyeshadow palette, this Complex Culture Tool, this Colourpop brush, this Colourpop liner, this Beauty Bakerie highlighter palette, this Beauty Bakerie eyeshadow palette, this Beauty Bakerie liner, lip liner, that is, this Beauty Bakerie makeup blenders, this Beauty Bakerie face powder, this Supershock Shadow, and this Beauty Bakerie blush trio. And yeah, that will be what you win if you enter down below in the comments. Like I said, leave a comment with the word exciting in it. And yeah, I hope you all join my giveaway. And yeah, I hope y'all are all, first of all, give this video a thumbs up. That is the other rule. Give this video a thumbs up. Yeah, so that it can go into the algorithm and so it can do what it does best. So give me a big thumbs up, and if you're not entering, just leave me a comment down below anyway and let me know how you're doing, and because I love hearing from you. And I just hope you are having a wonderful day out there today. And if you are not, I sure hope that something comes along and sparks your day so that you can have an awesome day today. But if you are having an especially hard time, I am sending you out the good vibes. But just remember to take it one day at a time, and to stay strong, and to stay healthy, and to stay safe. And hopefully I will see you. I'm sorry, my mind just blank. I will see you tomorrow in my video, and also this giveaway will end on next Saturday. I will announce that it's over, and it will be on this date. So I'm just forgetting everything, like I've never been on a giveaway before. So, okay, alright, I will see you later, and stay well until then. Okay, goodbye.